A brand new warehouse of 1,583 square feet, which is fully equipped with sprinklers, smoke detectors, the fire alarm system, and also fitted with the LED lights. The roof is completely insulated with the sandwich panel and exhaust fans. One built-in office and a washroom with one emergency exit. With a minimum of 25 kilowatts. With an office built-in, equipped with a split air conditioner, as well as the ceiling is equipped with the smoke detector and with tiled flooring. For more details in regards to this warehouse, please call one of our executives at Redrock Real Estate. Thank you.